business park here in Pohjois-Tapiola, Norrland. Here in Espoo, Helsinki Sportsvision, Finland, built in late 1994. The scenic weight is December 6753, but these 8 persons are 600 degrees. We can take 2 rides per elevator here.
Yeah.
Because they're both are scenic in this atrium.
Yeah.
I think the others from 95, 96, they one scenic elevator per atrium.
Yeah.
And 97 was already planned in Mars machine.
Yeah.
We don't have to film it though.
Yeah.
The other ones we filmed.
Yeah.
Or designed just one
Yeah.
example.
Metsänneidonkuja 6.
Yeah. Skogsjungfru. Stigen or Gränden, Skogsjungfru Gränden 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interestingly, it's 1994 here.
Yeah.
And there's turn of the 95, 96 on the other ones, 97.
Yeah.
It took some time to finish this.
Yeah.
I love the sounds in here.
Time here.
It's the second ride in this one. And then in the one.
Yeah. Expected by Pohjois-Tapiola, maintained by Kone.
Silent ride.
Yeah.
For the scenic view. Zero is the same as the floppy on our floor.
Yeah. Expected by Pohjois-Tapiola, maintained by Kone.
To a second ride for the information.
Yeah.
Serial number 67754, also built in late 1994, turned 25, so that's 2019. Gonna be inspected the next year, 2023, and the capacity is 10 persons or 8 rank rooms. 6 floors here. Really awesome too. But
Yeah.
they are the best, the oldest.
Yeah.
94.
Yeah.
But 96 was amazing too.
Yeah. You can press.
Yes, no press it. 94 on the top. Oh, sorry. And the view of the Kone over the door.
Yeah.
Same in the other one also. Right here to the recession, they didn't go to scenic ones in the not 96 part and 95.
Yeah.
I also didn't get the Kone logo for the door rail, I didn't see it.
That's